If you've ever wondered how to add link in TikTok bio without 1,000 followers, you're in the right place. Today we'll talk about growing your TikTok account fast. As you can see, my account currently has 0 followers, but that's about to change very soon. First, you'll want to visit a website called rapidboost.net. This website provides a range of services for various social media platforms. There are tools for Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and more. But for this video, we'll stick with TikTok followers. At the top of the homepage, pick the specific service you're interested in. Today, we're going for TikTok followers. From here, you get to select your desired amount of followers, and you can even pick the type, such as either high quality or premium. For the demonstration, I'll go with 1,000 followers. Once you know your amount, just hit Buy Now. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your TikTok username or profile link. The simplest method is to just copy your profile link. So open TikTok in your browser, make sure you're viewing your profile, and copy the link from the address bar. Then return to rapidboost.net, paste that link where it asks, and select Next. You'll now see the checkout screen. Here, type in your email address, along with your first and last name. Double-check that everything is correct, then click Place Order. All that's left now is to pay for your purchase. After you do, you don't have to do anything else. I'm going to finish up my payment, and I'll be back in a moment. And just like that, it's done. As shown, my TikTok account now has more than 1,000 followers. That was seriously fast and simple. Let's examine the results. These followers look completely genuine. They feature profile pictures, bios, and even videos. So they're definitely not just random bots. Honestly, this is an excellent way to give your TikTok profile a quick boost without doing much work. It only takes a few minutes, a short wait, and you'll see your follower numbers rise. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you next time.